Welcome back to Smart Currency Tube. In today's fast-paced world, teaching financial literacy to children has become more crucial than ever. With the rise of digital currencies, online shopping, and the complexities of managing personal finances, equipping kids with the knowledge and skills to navigate these challenges is essential. Financial literacy empowers children to make informed decisions, avoid debt traps, and understand the value of saving and investing from an early age. In this episode, listeners can expect to learn about a variety of creative and engaging methods to teach financial concepts to kids. We'll explore interactive games, storytelling techniques, and hands-on activities that make learning about money not just educational but also enjoyable. These methods are designed to capture children's attention and foster a genuine interest in financial topics. Moreover, we'll highlight the fun aspects of learning about money management. From budgeting challenges to fun savings jars, we'll show how these activities can turn financial lessons into exciting adventures. By incorporating play and creativity into financial education, children can develop a positive relationship with money, making them more likely to apply these lessons in real life. Join us as we dive into the world of financial literacy for kids and discover how to make learning about money a fun and rewarding experience. Financial literacy refers to the ability to understand and effectively manage personal finances. For children, this means grasping basic concepts such as saving, budgeting, spending wisely, and understanding the value of money. These foundational skills are essential as they prepare kids to navigate the financial landscape they will encounter in adulthood. Teaching children about money management helps them develop a sense of responsibility and encourages them to make informed choices. The significance of financial literacy extends beyond childhood. It profoundly impacts future decision-making. When children learn to budget and save, they are more likely to carry these habits into their adult lives. This knowledge can lead to better financial outcomes, such as avoiding debt, making sound investments, and planning for future expenses. Ultimately, financially literate individuals are equipped to achieve their goals and secure their financial well-being. Parents and educators play a crucial role in instilling these skills. By introducing financial concepts in a relatable and engaging manner, they can foster a positive attitude toward money management. Whether through discussions at home or structured lessons in school, the guidance of adults is vital in shaping a child's understanding of finances. Together, parents and educators can empower the next generation to become financially savvy individuals, ready to tackle the challenges of the future. Engaging children in interactive games is a fantastic way to teach financial concepts while keeping the learning process enjoyable. One classic example is Monopoly, a board game that simulates real-life financial scenarios. Players buy, sell, and trade properties, learning about investments, rent, and the importance of managing money wisely. This game not only entertains but also introduces kids to the complexities of financial decision-making in a fun and relatable way. In addition to traditional board games, there are numerous online games and apps specifically designed for financial education. Platforms like Financial Football and Saving Spree offer interactive experiences that challenge kids to make smart financial choices while playing. These digital tools often incorporate quizzes and scenarios that reinforce essential money management skills, making learning both engaging and effective. Hands-on activities can also be incredibly beneficial. For instance, budgeting for a family outing can be a practical exercise that teaches kids how to allocate funds for various expenses. Involving them in the planning process encourages critical thinking about costs, savings, and prioritizing needs versus wants. By combining these fun games and activities, children can develop a solid understanding of financial concepts, setting the stage for responsible money management in their future. Storytelling is a powerful tool for teaching financial lessons to children, as it can transform complex concepts into relatable narratives. Through engaging stories, kids can grasp the importance of money management in a way that feels natural and enjoyable. One excellent resource is the beloved Berenstain Bears series, which includes titles like The Berenstain Bears' Trouble with Money. These stories introduce young readers to financial themes such as saving, spending wisely, and the value of hard work, all within the context of relatable family situations. Books like these not only entertain, but also provide valuable lessons that resonate with children. When characters face financial dilemmas, it allows kids to see the consequences of different choices, making the lessons more impactful. By following the characters' journeys, children can learn about budgeting, saving, and the importance of making informed decisions without feeling overwhelmed by the complexities of finance. Parents are encouraged to read these stories with their kids and engage in discussions about the financial lessons presented. This shared experience can spark conversations about money management and help reinforce the concepts learned in the stories. By incorporating storytelling into financial education, parents can create a fun and meaningful way for their children to understand and appreciate the value of financial literacy. Incorporating financial lessons into everyday life is an effective way to teach children about money management. One practical approach is to encourage kids to manage a small allowance. By giving them a set amount of money each week, they can learn to track their spending and make decisions about how to use their funds. This hands-on experience helps them understand the value of money and the importance of making choices that align with their financial goals. Discussing the importance of saving for specific goals, such as a new toy or game, can also be a valuable lesson. Encourage children to set aside a portion of their allowance each week to save for something they really want. This not only teaches them about delayed gratification, but also instills the habit of saving, which is crucial for future financial success. Involving children in family budgeting discussions can further enhance their understanding of financial concepts. By explaining how the family allocates funds for various expenses, parents can provide real-world context for budgeting and financial planning. This transparency helps children see the practical applications of financial literacy and encourages them to ask questions and engage in the conversation. By integrating these real-life experiences, parents can effectively teach their children essential money management skills that will benefit them throughout their lives. In today's digital age, technology offers a wealth of resources to aid in teaching financial literacy to children. One standout app is Greenlight, which allows kids to manage their own debit cards while learning about saving and spending. With features that enable parents to set spending limits and encourage saving for specific goals, Greenlight provides a practical way for children to experience real-world financial management in a safe environment. In addition to apps, there are numerous online resources and videos that explain financial concepts in an engaging manner. Websites like Khan Academy offer free courses on personal finance, covering topics such as budgeting, saving, and investing. These resources often use animations and relatable scenarios to make complex ideas more accessible, ensuring that kids can grasp the fundamentals of financial literacy. Encouraging the use of budgeting tools can also enhance the learning experience. Parents can work with their children to track expenses using simple spreadsheets or budgeting apps. This collaborative approach not only teaches kids how to manage their money, but also fosters open discussions about financial decisions. By leveraging technology, parents can create a dynamic learning environment that empowers children to take charge of their finances, equipping them with the skills they need for a financially responsible future. In summary, teaching financial literacy to children is essential in today's world, and it can be achieved through fun and engaging methods. By incorporating games, storytelling, and real-life experiences, we can make learning about money management enjoyable and relatable for kids. These creative approaches not only capture their interest, but also help them grasp important financial concepts that will serve them well into adulthood. The role of parents and educators in this learning process cannot be overstated. By actively participating in discussions about money, encouraging saving for goals, and utilizing digital tools, adults can provide the guidance and support children need to develop strong financial habits. Together, we can create a foundation of financial literacy that empowers the next generation to make informed decisions. If you found this episode helpful and inspiring, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content on financial education and parenting tips. Don't forget to like and share this episode with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us reach more viewers and spread the message of financial literacy for kids. Let's work together to equip our children with the skills they need to thrive financially in the future. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to seeing you in our next episode.